In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error_internet_disconnected error. So first thing you're going to try and do is go to Google Chrome. So go here and try to clean your cache. So you can do this by going to settings, go to privacy and security, and here you can clear your cache, select everything and just delete data. After this, you want to go here to CMD, right click, run as administrator. And here we're going to run some commands. So first command you want to run is dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Click enter and let it run. Second command is ipconfig/renew/local area connection. Press enter. And then the third command is ipconfig/flush DNS and press enter. Then you want to type in ipconfig/release and press enter. And lastly, you want to type this command netsh winsock reset and press enter. After that loads, you can just close this down, restart your computer, and your issue is fixed.